We've all seen modern bikes left stranded by a small electronic glitch. If you want a machine built for decades of worry-free riding, these 7 legendary motorcycles prioritize basic mechanical honesty over temporary technology. They are simply built to last. Let's look at the lineup. Number 7. The Unstoppable Dual Sport, Suzuki DR650. There is a quiet beauty in a motorcycle that refuses to change. The Suzuki DR650 relies on an air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that has remained basically untouched for decades. Suzuki got it right the first time, so they left it alone. There is no complex radiator to puncture, no coolant to leak, and no fancy digital dashboard to crack if the bike drops in the driveway. It uses a dependable old-school carburetor that you can clean or rebuild on a roadside bench with simple hand tools. For mature riders who want a versatile, lightweight bike that completely shuns fragile electronics, this machine offers pure peace of mind. It handles gravel backroads, highway pavement, and city streets with a rugged, practical attitude. The low-stress engine tolerances prevent premature internal wear, meaning the bike just keeps running year after year. While tech-heavy adventure touring rigs wait at dealerships for software updates, this simple machine is out on the road. It is an honest motorcycle built to outlive the trends and survive years of casual neglect. Your wallet will thank you for keeping things this simple. Number 6. The Unfussy Middleweight, Honda Shadow 750. The Honda Shadow 750 is an incredibly grounded choice in the cruising world. While high-performance bikes stress their internal components to the absolute limit, Honda engineered this 3-valve V-twin for steady long-term durability. It produces smooth, predictable power that never feels hurried. Look, that relaxed cadence means the internal parts face very little wear over decades of casual road use. It features a completely enclosed shaft drive system which entirely removes the messy chore of cleaning, adjusting, and lubricating a greasy chain. You just change the oil and ride. The low seat height gives mature riders total confidence when pulling up to an uneven intersection or backing into a garage slot. There are no delicate rider modes or fragile screens here to cause expensive headaches down the road. Instead, it offers a beautifully styled, honest cruiser experience that runs as smoothly on year 20 as it did on day 1. It is the type of worry-free motorcycle you buy once and just enjoy, fully knowing it values functional longevity over digital trends. That's the kind of real reliability that keeps you focused on the open trip. Number 5. The Unpretentious Single Kawasaki KLR650. The Kawasaki KLR650 has earned a massive reputation among riders as a bike that simply refuses to stop running. It is completely unpretentious. The 650 2cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine prioritizes steady, low-stress durability over high-speed performance, delivering a relaxed output that happily runs on regular low-octane fuel. Owners regularly document incredible mileage on these original engines without needing any major internal overhauls. What makes it truly timeless is how accessible it is. If you ever face a mechanical issue, spare parts are everywhere, and basic maintenance can be managed in your own garage with simple tools. While premium adventure touring machines require expensive specialized dealer visits for a computer diagnostic check, the KLR650 shrugs off bad weather and minor neglect. It carries itself with a commanding open road presence while remaining highly practical for everyday exploration. It represents a bulletproof investment for riders who value mechanical honesty over digital clutter. It is built to keep going through the rough stuff without flinching. This simple motorcycle will be starting up effortlessly for decades, completely outlasting today's fragile, tech-heavy trends. Your peace of mind out on the highway is guaranteed. Number 4. The Long-Distance Endurance Machine, Yamaha FJR1300. The Yamaha FJR1300 is a deeply respected machine engineered specifically for high-mileage endurance. Built to meet strict police fleet standards, where day in and day out reliability trumps everything else, this 1,298cc inline-4 engine delivers its power with absolute composure. Veteran owners routinely report crossing the 200,000-mile mark with original engine internals still completely intact. It features a remarkably robust engine block design that prevents fluid leaks, keeping the machine running clean and tight year after year. The low-maintenance shaft drive entirely removes the mess and hassle of chain care on long cross-country tours. For mature riders who want effortless highway performance without the constant worry of component failure, the FJR 1300 balances modern comforts like cruise control with a rock-solid traditional build quality. The chassis carries its weight beautifully once in motion, providing a planted, stable feel in stiff crosswinds or when passing large semi-trucks. It is an honest, premium motorcycle built to mature gracefully alongside you, proving that high-speed smoothness and long-term mechanical longevity can perfectly coexist. It simply keeps performing without any needless drama, keeping your long highway horizons wide open. That's real quality. Number 3. The Heavy Metal Survivor, Harley-Davidson Sportster Evolution Engine. The Harley-Davidson Sportster, powered by the legendary Evolution engine, is a true standout for classic longevity. Produced for over 3 decades with minimal changes, this air-cooled V-twin keeps your faith in traditional American engineering. The real secret to its long lifespan is its wonderfully mild state of tune directly from the factory. Because the engine is never working hard or revving excessively, its internal components experience very little friction or heat stress. There are no overhead cams, complex cooling lines, or sensitive sensors to trigger warning lights on a plastic dashboard. It is simple, recognizable, and deeply reliable. For older riders, this machine offers a beautifully low seat height, a narrow profile, and a raw mechanical soul that modern bikes struggle to match. Every single component is made of heavy metal, meaning it resists wear and can be repaired indefinitely in your driveway. If you look after it with basic oil changes, an Evolution Sportster will run for decades. It quietly ignores the fragile plastic parts and disposable digital screens found on today's showroom floors. It is simply built for the long haul. It rarely lets you down. Number 2. The grounded icon, BMW R1200GS Boxer Twin. When long-distance touring riders plan cross-country trips, their thoughts often turn to the classic BMW Boxer Twin. The air and oil-cooled versions of the R1200GS are highly respected for real durability. The unique cylinder design places the engine blocks directly out in the open wind, providing simple, natural cooling that prevents overheating under heavy luggage loads. Because the pistons move horizontally, the machine naturally cancels out harsh, high-frequency engine vibrations. That comfort changes everything on a long ride, protecting your hands and wrists from numbness during hours on the interstate. Owners routinely pass the 150,000-mile mark with original internals completely untouched by mechanical failure. The straightforward electronic architecture rarely throws warning codes, making it a very stable platform. For veteran tourers who want a rock-solid machine that glides smoothly over rough pavement, highway joints, and gravel roads, this motorcycle provides premium comfort combined with a grounded mechanical foundation. It is an honest touring motorcycle engineered to outlast complex electronic fads and keep moving safely. It remains a trusted gold standard for long-term road confidence. Year after year, it handles beautifully. Number 1. The Automotive Masterpiece, Honda Goldwing. The Honda Goldwing is highly respected when it comes to lifetime reliability. Since its debut over 50 years ago, this motorcycle has earned a steady reputation as a machine built for ultimate longevity. The liquid-cooled flat-six engine operates with smooth, under-stressed perfection, whispering down the highway with incredible ease. Countless riders proudly document odometers crossing the 300,000-mile mark on completely original engine internals, routinely outlasting modern cars and marriages alike. That matters after 60. The low-maintenance shaft drive completely removes drivetrain worry, while its premium build quality handles summer heat and freezing mountain passes without breaking a sweat. For mature riders who want comfort, the Goldwing provides a commanding open-road presence, excellent wind protection, and incredible structural integrity. It carries its physical weight low to the ground, making it shockingly cooperative and stable once you're moving. It represents absolute mechanical honesty built for the long haul. It is the definitive bike that you buy for life, fully confident it will stay on the road for as long as you want to ride. It simply keeps going. Long rides stop feeling exhausting on this machine. In a world full of temporary technology and plastic panels, these machines stand as solid examples of smart engineering. Real freedom isn't about chasing the latest digital touchscreen. It's about a bike that starts every single time. Take care of your machine, and the road is still waiting.